Hi guys, I am Kiran. I am here to discuss a CODEFORCES problem which is related to strings. The problem is 734A, the Anton and Danik. Let us read the question. Anton likes to play chess and so does his friend Danik. Once they have played n games in a row, for each game it is known who was the winner, Anton or Danik. None of the games ended with a tie. Now Anton wonders who won more games, he or Danik. Help him determine this. So Anton and Danik are friends and they like to play chess. Once they have played n number of games in a row, and for each game there was a winner. None of the games ended with a tie. At last we must help Anton to determine who have won more games, himself or Danik. So the first line of the input contains a single integer n. That is the number of games played. It must be less than 1 lakh. And the second line contains a string s consisting of n number of uppercase English letters, and it must consist of only the uppercase English letters A and D. The letter A determines that game is won by Anton and the letter D determines that game is won by Danik. So S is a string which consists of only uppercase English letters A and D. And as an output, if Anton won more games than Danik, print Anton. If Danik won more games than Anton, print Danik. And if both have won the same number of games, print friendship. So understanding the question, what we must do now? At first we are inputting a single integer n, that is the number of games they have played. And as a second line we are inputting a string s which consists of only the uppercase letters A and D, out of which A determines that game is won by Anton and D determines that game is won by Danik. And now we must go through that string and check who had won more number of games. That is, we must check whether A is more or D is more in that string. If the number of A in that string is greater, we must print Anton. If number of D in that string is greater, then we must print Danik. And if both are equal, we must print friendship. So I have already done a code for it. Let us check it. As the first input I am giving n, that is the number of games they have played. And as a second input it is the string which consists of A and D only. And using this for loop I am going through that string, and if the ith character of that string is A, then the small a will be incremented by 1. I have declared it as 0 earlier. So the small a determines the number of characters capital A in that string. Likewise in the case of D also. The small letter d determines the number of capital letters D in that given string. So after this for loop, we will get the number of capital A's and capital D's in that string. Now we must compare both. If number of A is greater than number of D, we must print Anton. If number of D is greater than number of A, we must print Danik. Or else if both are equal, then we must print friendship. So we shall check with the given sample input and outputs. The first 6, I have done it already. We shall check the next one. What was it? 7 DDD AADA. 7 DDD AADA. And the output was Danik. Yeah, we got the output as Danik. and the last input 6 DA, and the output must be friendship. 6 DA. Yeah, we got just friendship, so it works. I hope you all understood. Thanks for watching.